Hey, welcome everyone to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am the founder of this amazing brand that I love so much, where we specialize in henna natural hair color and Ayurvedic healthy hair care. We're doing things a little different today, putting a little twist on a few little things here. I got something new to talk to you about, and it's gonna be about your skin. So I'm gonna show you 3 great Ayurvedic herbs that work amazing on your skin, that will have your skin like glowing. In Ayurveda, when you have like dull skin, red spots, inflammation, and just like irritants, it's usually that something is out of balance. The doshas are 3 constitutions that need to be in balance in order for you to have healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy body, healthy everything. There are many ways that this imbalance can occur. It could be stress, it could be just overall fatigue, it could be foods you eat, sugars, milk, meats, it could be anything triggering it really. So we want to figure out, some remedies to that through Ayurvedic hair care and Ayurvedic skin care. I have 3 amazing Ayurvedic herbs here. I got your amla powder, I got your rose petal powder, and I got aloe vera powder. Did you guys know that you could use this on your skin? I'm gonna be here to show you 3 amazing ways to do a mask treatment on your skin based on the benefits and the purpose and the properties of each of these Ayurvedic herbs and how they affect your skin. Aloe vera powder is very good at balancing the doshas because it's very, very, very moisturizing, and it's anti-inflammatory. This herb definitely helps alleviate a lot of skin issues for sure. I have some warm to hot distilled water over here. This one is probably going to be the most simple of the recipes, and this one I'm starting out with we don't need a lot, so it goes a long way. So I have about 2 teaspoons. See, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera powder, and I'm going to mix in my warm to hot distilled water and just add a little at a time. Oh yes, make it a nice paste, not too thin, because you want it to be able to stay on your skin. Don't need to let this sit at all. It's gonna be ready to use. Oh, it's so creamy. So we got your amla powder. Definitely one of my favorites. I love amla powder. I love the way it smells. It's really, really good. And again, I probably put a little tiny bit more. I probably did about 2 to 3 teaspoons. I'm just kind of honestly eyeing it. Turmeric is very antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, so your skin is gonna love it. Combination with amla powder that's high in vitamin C, and it just brightens the skin so naturally, just like boom. Also makes it anti-aging. And I added like a small amount. I wouldn't suggest a large amount of turmeric. And I got some Camellia Oil on the side. I'm gonna be adding that in. You don't want to always just add the water too fast, because it makes it really difficult to control if it gets too wet. And plus I'm adding an oil, and then you mix it up really well. That oil is going to give this mask a little bit more moisture. All right, keep mixing that because it is a thick paste, so it gets smooth and creamy. So you can see this consistency is way different from the aloe vera powder blend. Still moisturizing, but you can see it has some of that stickiness, but it's still a little different. It's a bit more, pasty. And I wanted to add, why did I choose Camellia Oil? Because it is just been known to be a great moisturizing but light, and also has all these anti-aging properties. Like even alone, you should definitely be using Camellia Oil on your skin. It is so great. It's amazing. It's a good oil to have for your skin. Now we have the rose petal powder, which of course smells like roses. It smells so good. There are studies out there, just Google it. You will see the great information about rose petal powder that shows that regular use of rose petal powder will slow down the aging process, and it also tightens the skin. And not only that, but rose petal powder is amazing for getting rid of blemishes, and also the vitamin C found in it, and the collagen that it produces. Oh, This is a great mask. This might be the mask that I'm gonna try on my face. So I'm gonna have about, about two heaping teaspoons, maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons in this bowl. And I'm going to add my water slowly, a little at a time. So honey draws in a lot of moisture, so it's really good for those who have dry skin. But what happens if your skin's kind of on the oily side? Then I probably would recommend that you can alternate the honey, or in addition to if you have combination skin, but you could use yogurt instead as well with the rose petal powder and apply it to your face all over. Since rose petals don't have as much of that slip as you can see from the other mask, the way that it kind of clings together, you don't see that as much in the rose petal mask here. You definitely want to apply, a good amount and a good amount of liquid so that at least it can stick together a little bit better. So there you have it, 3 amazing Ayurvedic skincare recipes that you can do at home while you're doing your hair. Put that on, relax, read a book, watch a movie, do your thing. And I hope you guys really love these masks. Which one are you gonna try first? Thank you for tuning in. It's been great. I hope you've loved these masks. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because you do not wanna miss the next videos that I have coming up for you every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I will definitely see you soon. See you next time. Bye.